The iFixit Mahi Driver Kit was made with a purpose and mission in mind. Sometimes you're met with bigger devices, and those devices often have bigger bits. The Mahi Driver Kit will allow you to attack those repairs without hassle. The Mahi Driver Kit includes iFixit's 1/4-inch ionized aluminum driver with magnetic bit socket, knurled grip, and swivel top, plus 48 beefy bits. All our next-gen bit kits have been re-engineered for maximum utility, so we included spanners, squares, and splines in addition to standard Phillips and flathead. This bit kit includes all the 1/4-inch form factor bits you'll need to handle the toughest and torquiest fasteners in any home or shop project. Other toolkits might leave you with a broken hinge or clasp, but the Mahi lid is held in place with magnets and mounts to the back of the case to keep it out of the way while you do your work. If you need help keeping your screws and parts organized, the lid also serves as a sorting tray. Never worry about tackling a big fix with the Mahi Kit. As always, your iFixit tools are backed by a lifetime warranty.